Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we will look in the regular expression, the group and the match. So let us first see the example directly. So I have a regular expression and with the raw string of, you can see here, I am matching A to Z small and capital A to Z, and I'm having a plus here. That means one or more characters up to infinity, right? And you can see I'm placing a round parenthesis here. Right? I'm placing a round parenthesis and then I'm giving a space here, and then again in round parenthesis I am typing the slash t. Slash t, as you already know, is numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so if you want to make it even more simpler, let us keep it 0 to 9. Fine, this is the same thing. So alphabets, small or capital, 1 to infinity is the length. Numbers from 0 to 9, 1 to infinity again is the length, right? So now what is my sentence here that I'm trying to match is I was born on May 26th. Right? So what will happen here? This particular regular expression will be placed on this particular string and a match will be concluded. Right? Now we will first see the output and then we see what happens at here. So it says match at index 14, comma 20, full match May 26, month May and day 26, right? So basically I have kept this example so that given a particular sentence, I need to extract the date of birth and the month of the birth, right? So let us see how it happens. So I'm searching for this particular regular expression. This is given here. I will explain the importance of round parentheses a bit later. Okay, first of all, whenever the index is matched, there are two methods called match.start and match.end. Basically, this show me the index from where to where the matching has taken place. And again, the indexing begins at 0. So if you see, my matching basically is May 26. So if I use this particular string here, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. See, 14th is the May. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20th. 20th is the 6th. So from 14 to 20 is the pattern that have matched. So my regular expression basically matches the pattern between index 14 to index 20, which is nothing but May 26th. And how does this take place? So for example, this particular regular expression will match alphabets. Sorry, it will match strings. So basically it did match I, but it had to be followed by a space which was followed, but then it had to be followed by a set of numbers, right? So I was basically I matched, but was did not have numbers. Then it checked for was born, again no match. Born on, again no match. On May, not match. Then May 26 was matched with this particular string, right? So basically for indexing, you use the start and the end method. Now what internally Python does is, for example, I am using this brackets here, round brackets. So what happens, Python internally divides a long regular expression into groups. What do I mean by group? So the first group is known as group 0. So whenever I get a match here, the match group of 0 represents the entire match. So see, I'm writing full match, and that says the entire regular expression basically matched the May 26. So this is known as group 0, which is the exact string that was matched. Now within this group 0, there can be different groups, like you can have May and 26. So that is the same thing that we get through group 1 and group 2. Now how do you identify how many groups that Python can identify? That depends on your string. So when you write a regular expression, can you observe this particular bracket here? So this is group 1, because when you read the regular expression from left to right, the first parenthesis is the group 1. The next parenthesis is the group 2, right? And the overall string matching is the group 0. So remember that the complete match is group 0, and within the group 0, you can divide the regular expression into small parentheses, and that will give you the group 1 and group 2. Right? So in this case, group 0 was the entire May 26. You can see group 1, right? Group 1 became May and group 2 became 26, right? For example, if I kept something like May and June, this expression will not match anything. Oh, sorry, this I did not comment out. So you can see the Regex did not match anything, right? Because String followed by a number was not in this case. Fine. So this is how the regular expression works, and the grouping concept is very important because when we process a large data and large text files, so at times we need some patterns to be followed one after the another, right? So this is how we do a group and matching. So that's it for this tutorial class. Thank you.